Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 9th. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today we are going to read another part of the lesson, that is pastoralists in the modern world. So today we are going to discuss about impact of colonial rule on pastoralists. So my dear students, remember one point here, that it is because of colonial rule. It is because of colonial rule that so many changes occurred in the life of pastoralists. Let us discuss about some important changes. Okay, the first change that occurred in the life of pastoralists was that all grazing land, okay, all grazing land became cultivated farms. Okay, all grazing land became cultivated farms. ये जो ब्रिटिशर्स थे, they think that if wasteland is changed to cultivated farms, okay, if wasted land is changed to cultivated farms, ये जो ब्रिटिशर्स थे ये सोचते थे that if wasteland is changed to cultivated farms, it would generate revenue to them, and at the same time the production of jute cotton, okay, the production of jute cotton and wheat will increase. Okay, the production of jute cotton and wheat will increase. So that is why इन्होंने waste land rules, that is why Britishers implemented waste land rules. Okay, according to these waste land rules, land was divided among individuals. Okay, as per waste land rules, land was divided, तो जमीन को तकसीम किया गया individuals में, and they also were given concessions. Some, तो इनमें से कुछ लोगों को विलेज हेडमैन भी बनाया गया. ठीक है, तो with this, when this grazing land was changed into cultivated land, it led to shortage of pastures for these pastoralists. This was the first change that occurred in the life of pastoralists because of colonial rule. Number two change that occurred in the life of pastoralists during colonial rule was forest laws were made. Okay, forest laws were made. तो दूसरी जो चेंज थी, दैट इज फॉरेस्ट लॉज वेर मेड. तो ड्यूरिंग colonial rule so many laws were made to restrict the movement of people into forests, and forests were classified into reserved forests, protected forests, and forest department introduced permit system. इन्होंने permit system introduce किया. Forest department introduced permit system, and it was impossible for pastoralists to visit forests without permit. Okay, तो तीसरी जो change, and the number three change that occurred in the life of pastoralists during colonial period was that British officials were, ये जो Britishers थे, British officials were suspicious. Okay, British officials were suspicious about the pastoral groups, Okay, number three change that occurred in the life of pastoralists was that British officials were suspicious about the pastoral groups. ये जो Britishers थे, they wanted to control settled population. Okay, Britishers चाहते थे कि वो ऐसी पॉपुलेशन पे कंट्रोल करे जो एक ही जगह अपनी जिंदगी गुजार सके. ठीक है, ब्रिटिशर्स वांटेड टू कंट्रोल सेटल्ड पॉपुलेशन, दैट इज व्हाई दे आस्क्ड पीपल, तो इन्होंने लोगों को कहा कि आप एक ही जगह रहे. दे आस्क्ड पीपल टू फिक्स एट सेटल्ड प्लेस. ओके, इफ वी विल टॉक अबाउट pastoralists, अगर हम यहाँ पे बात करें इन 1871, रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट, इन 1871 क्रिमिनल ट्राइब्स एक्ट, ओके, क्रिमिनल ट्राइब्स एक्ट was passed, okay, in 1871 criminal tribes act was passed, and as per this law the movement of pastoralists was stopped, okay, as per this law, that is criminal tribes law, the movement of pastoralists was stopped. And the number 4 change was that taxes were imposed. And the number 4th change that occurred in the life of pastoralists during this colonial period was taxes were imposed, okay, taxes were imposed on land, cattle, trade, goods, etc. ठीक है, taxes were imposed on land, cattle, tax, goods, etc. तो in simple words we can say that all these laws, whether it was criminal, okay, whether it was criminal tribes act 1871, whether it was forest act, or it was waste land rule law, waste land rule, okay, and these all affected the life of pastoralists to a great extent, okay. So this was all about this topic, that is impact of colonial rule on pastoralists. I hope it is clear to all of you. Thanks, have a nice day.